Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So, do we have anyone in the house? I'm just checking. All right. Lovely, lovely. Hey, Arlene. Hey, Francisca. Hey, Tessie. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing our Bollywood night tonight. The night I'm the most scared about all through the week because I try. So today I've done a couple of new songs, couple of them, just two of them. Rest of them I've done before, but maybe a long time ago. So yeah, here it is. Hey Avril, hey Ryan, nice to see you, bro. Hey Libby, hey Danica, hey Alvaro, hey Noella, hey Aubrey. Wow, Aubrey on a Hindi night, fabulous. Hey Gerald, hey Nigel, my brother. Hey Sabrina, my sis, beautiful, beautiful. And Jude Al says hello everyone. I didn't say that. That was Sainora, who's also an admin on the page. All right. So now she's come back into the Sainora avatar. Hey Aryusha, nice to see you. So ladies and gentlemen, today, hey Jyoti. Today is going to be a nice night, and I'm guessing, you guys are going to have a good time. I've selected a list. We don't have too many requests today, so that was easier. And I know a lot of you have been asking me to pick up new songs, and, y'all have been sending me suggestions. I'm trying to work on them. Trust me, I am. I was just doing one new song today as well, but I was not too confident to put it out, so I left that on the back seat. All right, so without further ado, let's go on. We're already a good 50 people in the house, and that's a good reason to go on with this show, right? Hey, Janet. Hey, nice to see you. Hey, Susan. Hey, Amresh. So let's do this. What is that? All right, we also have the Anthony family watching. That's my family watching, and they're always there to support me. Means a lot. Hey, Shibani. Hey, Godfrey. Hey, Primrose. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Let's begin with, let's take a little... how do I start this night tonight? Okay, let's go with this one. The first one, I've got just one dedication tonight, and this one is a perfect song to start with. This is dedicated to Preet, who's in Boston, USA. Like I said, without a passport, I travel different countries. Preet, if you're watching this song is for you, and here it is. Let's go for it, all right? And there we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm also going to be launching my website in a couple of days from now. Just keeping you first informed. Shh, don't tell anybody. Once that happens, you guys will be the first to know. You know I will tell. All right. Hey, Venetia. I'm sorry. That's the wrong track. There was supposed to be another one. My bad. My bad. Technologically challenged fellow. This is the dedication to Preet. Hey Pops Ram Prasad, nice to see you in the house. ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. Hey Preeti! Preeti's watching from a couple of floors below me. So nice to see you. I hope Dad's watching with you, Preeti. Hey Steven! Hey Malicia! Alright. Hey Desiree Atari! दूर रहती है तू मेरे पास आती नहीं हो तो पे तेरे कभी प्यास आती नहीं ऐसा लगे जैसे कि तू हंस के जहर कोई पिए जाए शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए. Hey Lalit, nice to see you in the house. Thank you, Venetia. Thank you, Nelson. I hope you guys are singing with me.
बात जब मैं करूं मुझे रोक देती है क्यों तेरी मीठी नजर मुझे टोक देती है क्यों तेरी हया तेरी शर्म तेरी कसम मेरे होठ सिए जाए शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए.
Hey Vidya, nice to see you. Hey Amol. Hey Arlene. Thank you for the blessings, Uncle. Uncle Vedya, thank you for your blessings.
एक रूठी हुई तकदीर जैसे कोई खामोश ऐसे है तू तस्वीर जैसे कोई तेरी नजर बन के जुबान लेकिन तेरे पैगाम लिए जाए शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किए जाए मुझे डोर कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जाए.
Hey Timir, thank you Aubrey, Breathe. I hope you're enjoying this song all the way down in Boston. Thank you so much. Lorraine, your message totally making my day. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You all know very, very well that I'm not a pro at Hindi music. I'm just getting there, slowly working on myself all the time. And I don't feel ashamed to admit it because it's never too late to learn. All of you, I'm sure, would have learned something new in this lockdown. And even before, it's been a year I'm doing Hindi, but yeah, I never updated my list so much. I had a good 48, 50 songs, and I just stuck to that because the venues would change, the people would change. But now it's getting difficult because it's different. It's the same people all the time, most of the time, with a few here and there. 100 people in the house. Thank you, Marina. As usual, she gets the sharer badge. So those who share get the sharer badge. Thank you, Melissa. Thank you, Ulrika. Thank you, all of you who are sharing this video with others. You're just making it reach out to more people. And that's exactly. So let me tell you, in the last 28 days, I just saw the reports before logging in today. And we've reached 1,87,000 in the last 28 days. 28 days, 1,87,000 people. That is all because of you. A big thank you to everyone who tunes in and make this possible. So, without further ado, let's go on to our next song. You guys are awesome, man. I don't know, so many comments. Some of your comments I'll read after the show, but I definitely go through every comment. You know that. Most of you who see that know that I'm reading your comments because of the hearts that I sent you. Why give a like when you can give love? Agree or not? All right, so let's take the next song and let's not waste any further time. This song is a little different. It's, again, not a very old song, but it's a song that we all love. And Nigel, I'm missing you for this song, buddy. This song, definitely, I love the way he does this flute solo on the keys, Don't worry, very soon. Mally, Johnny, Custodio. I want to see all of you guys with me very soon, very soon. We make that happen. Pray that this lockdown ends, man. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. Thank you, Venetia. You're always so sweet. Thank you. Thank you, Amin.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो मैंने सुन लिया के साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया मुझे सुन लिया.
Had to happen, right? Hey Debbie, nice to see you in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, Debbie Manas in the house. An amazing singer, you should check her out. Beautiful. Hey Gauri, nice to see you.
पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार. कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हार, ए दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता. पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
Thank you so much, Amresh. Thank you, Lorraine. Thank you, Janet. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Debbie. Means a lot. Thank you, Shibani. I hope Zoe's watching with you.
उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं. उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं. एक कर दूं आसमां और ज़मीन, कहो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं. पहला नशा पहला खुमार,
Senor Meldin.
नया प्यार है नया इंतजार. कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हार, ए दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता. पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
Hola, Senor Dominic. Hola, Senora Roshni. Hey, Melvin. Hello, Auntie Litvina. Hello, Uncle Joyson. Hello, Daddy. All you lovely people watching along with us. Hey, Janet. Renee, jump now. Jump, 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 jump.
उसने बात की कुछ ऐसे ढंग से, सपने दे गया हजारों रंग के. उसने बात की कुछ ऐसे रंग से, सपने दे गया वो हजारों रंग के. रह जाऊं जैसे मैं हार के, और चूमे वो मुझे प्यार से. पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
Hey, Mansi.
नया प्यार है नया इंतजार. कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हार, ए दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, Daryl. Hey, Nigel. Hey, Teresa. Auntie Teresa. Sorry. Hey, Rajiv. Nice to see you in the house. You lovely people. You awesome people. I love this. I totally love this. And I believe we are spreading wider than the pandemic. Like I've already reached 1,87,000 people in 1 month. I think the pandemic in India hasn't spread as much. So let's keep this going, you know. Let music spread. Keep spreading it. And like I say, it's not just Jude Al. Who's that guy? It's music. Push the music out. Whatever the source is, whoever it is, help the music reach the right places. Make this lockdown feel like a music lockdown, you know? And it'll be fun. It's a party already. So let me look at your comments. Hey Nisha, nice to see you in the house. Hey Lorraine. Hey Susan. My cousin Wayne Reynolds. Nice to see you, buddy. I know you're not a Hindi guy. You like old English music, but then you guys all come in to support me, and that means tons to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, so let's go on with our next song. Senor Sandeep in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you so much. I hope Mama's watching along with you. Please let Mama watch too. All right, Senora Khushbu, nice to see you. Hey Kitty, nice to see you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's go on with the next song, okay? Without further ado. This one again is an old song. Or do you want me to do something new? So this is a new song I learned this week. One of the new songs. I'm going to dedicate this to my darling wife for helping me learn it. If I make any mistakes, you know who to catch. Because she was not very strict with me. She was pretty nice. Usually I need a strict teacher sometimes. But then, I don't know. She's not a strict teacher. She's always been the sweet teacher. So here it is, the song I learned today. Can you hear this song? It's a new song, but it's so cute.
तुझसे ही तो मिली है राहत, तुझसे ही तो मिली है चाहत, तुझसे ही तो जुड़ी है जिंदगी। तेरी यादें हैं कुछ अधूरी, सांस आधी है कुछ है पूरी, में है ये कैसे ये नमी।
Please forgive me.
मेरा मन कहने लगा, पास आके न तू दूर जा, छूने दे होठ तेरे, जरा सांसों में अपनी बसा।
Thank you, Auntie Maria. Nice to see you, Auntie Maria. Thank you, Janet. Not typically, still new to it, okay? Forgive me.
तुझे ना लूं, तुझे तुझसे चुरा लूं, तुझे खुद में छुपा लूं साहिबा। एक मुझ पे करम हो, तू ही मेरी सनम हो, तेरी मुझ पे नजर हो साहिबा। मर में जाऊंगा रह न पाऊं, गुम जुदाई से न पाऊं, ऐ तुझे प्यार का वास्ता। तेरी यादें हैं कुछ अधूरी, सांस आधी है कुछ है पूरी, आंखों में है ये कैसी ये नमी। चांद तले आगोश में मेरी दुआ, बाहों में ले लो मुझे, जरा सपनों में अपने बसा। मेरा मन कहने लगा, पास आके न तू दूर जा, छूने दे होठ तेरे, जरा सांसों में अपनी बसा।
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, there were a few tricky words in the middle there. All right, so if the song was good, you should say a thank you to Sainora because she was the one who did this for me. Thank you, Sabi. Thank you, Mary, for all the people who've been supporting. You guys are so sweet, man. I saw more hearts coming on any other song, and I know I fumbled like a couple of times there, but it means a lot. The first time I did it today, the next time it'll be better. I promise you that. Since I'm into the new one, Charmaine, oh my, I just got to know you're sick. That is so, so sad. Okay, let me do one song for you to cheer you up, okay? This one is especially for Charmaine because she's not well. I'm going to do this one for her. All right, so there we go to our next song. And I know you guys are having fun and there's a good amount of crowd in the house tonight. I'm really loving this. And some of you are jumping shows because I know there are many, many. Thank you so much, Alvaro. Means so much. Amresh is searching for a partner to dance. Anyone who's willing to dance, please. Amresh is ready. All right, so here we are with our next song. Let's go into it quickly. Let's not waste further time. I'm trying to finish up the show today a little early, actually. Not because I want to run away, but because I've got a lot happening today. A lot of practicing for tomorrow. By the way, I'm doing 2 shows tomorrow and a couple of announcements. Let me go quick with that. So I'm doing a show on the Talent Networking group, not the group, but the TNG Live group. That's another group that's meant for live musicians. We're doing a launch party tomorrow. I'm going 6:30. I'm going live at 6 o'clock or 6:30. 6 o'clock, 6:30 live tomorrow, India time. And there are many other artists along with me singing on that platform. I want you to be there. If you have the time, do tune in. It's going to be a long party, all right? So that's one. And then I'm going live with an EDM set at 8 p.m. tomorrow. EDM, electronic dance music. I've never done that, but you know, it's a lot of fun. So I want you to get your friends, all the youngsters in the house. You're going to be happy now, finally. You've been asking me to do this for long. All right. So it's now not at 8:30, guys. Please make a note of this time. I'm making sure I'll say this verbally. It's not going to be 8:30. It's going to be 8 p.m. And you know why? Because Carlton Braganza is having his 100th show tomorrow, and I definitely don't want to miss. So he starts at 9 p.m. tomorrow instead of the normal 9:30. So I pushed my slot a little early because I can't miss the first word of that show. So I want you to, after that, tune in with me to the Carlton, the CB 100th show. He's done 100 shows, man. How does that guy do it? Absolutely stunning. So let's all tune in there after that for the 100th one. And that's going to be a blast, I'm sure. He normally reaches like 600-700 views at a time. Tomorrow's going to be like, what, 2,000 or maybe 7,000? God knows. Hey, Rashna, nice to see you. Hello, Auntie Fatima. Nice to see you. All beautiful people in the house. Let's go on with the next song. And this one is, again, a beautiful song, like I promised, for Charmaine. Charmaine, I hope you get well soon because Zindagi Ek Safar Hai Suhana. This is one of my favorite songs. I always do this on the Kishore Kumar tribute or anywhere I can. You know that, right?
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले 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 यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले। Thank you, Sakrina. Thank you, Eldon. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Libby. Hey, Shobha. Hey, Goretti. से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे, हर चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये ज़माना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले 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 यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले। All right. Nice to see you, Loela Miss. That's my t-shirt, ladies and gentlemen. हंसते गाते यहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर। अरे हंसते गाते यहाँ से गुजर, दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर, मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले 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 यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले। Thank you, Sakrina. Thank you, Auntie Maria. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Marina. All the M's in a row. Melvin, Nelson, Gauri, Libby. नी है आएगी एक दिन, अरे जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन, अरे मौत आनी है आएगी एक दिन, अरे जान जानी है जाएगी एक दिन, ऐसे बातों से क्या घबराना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। थैंक यू अल्वारो। युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले 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 यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले यो, युरले युरले। All right, thank you Rachel, thank you so much Melvin, thank you Gauri, all you lovely people, thank you Jyoti, thank you Sainora. Sainora? Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna do, the next song is a little newer song, I know. It's doing good though. We've got a good 100 people in the house tonight, and that's awesome. You know, yesterday, for the first time on a Thursday night, I reached like 180 people, and I was super happy. The reason why is not because of anything else, but because it was a midweek thing, you know, and I know some people are still working from home. Guys, you make sure that you even tune in after work, man. Hats off to you. Really hats off to you. All right, so, yes, Alvaro, I will. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Thank you, Gene. So for all of you who've been motivating me to do more Hindi music, I've kept these Friday nights on only because of your love and support. The numbers do the talking to me. Not because I want big numbers, but because Facebook tells me what's going better, you know. So if I feel at some point in time that the numbers aren't so great, I think maybe I'm not doing good enough. I just want to be making sure I'm doing good. I'm giving you a good show. I don't want to cut down on quality ever. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rachel. Means a lot. Thank you, Ritu. Ritu is always late. Ritu, was this the case in college as well? All right, so let's do this. Let's take up the next one. And this one's a little different song, but you'll like this one. This one's by Papon. You know how I love Papon. This was in the movie Barfi, a song. I don't know if you watched that movie. It was a very cute movie. I like that movie. I don't usually watch Hindi films, but this was one of them. I think I should start watching some films now. Maybe I'll learn some songs. All right, so let me know what you think in the comments, all right? Tell me if you like this song. क्यों न हम तुम चले तेरे मेरे से रास्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे, चल भटक लेना बावरे। क्यों न हम तुम फिरे जाके अलमस्त पहचानी राहों के परे, चल भटक लेना बावरे। इन टिमटिमाती निगाहों में, इन झमझमाती अदाओं में लुके हुए छुपे हुए है क्या ख्याल बावरे। क्यों न हम तुम चले जिंदगी के नशे में ही धुत से फिरे, चल भटक लेना बावरे।
Thank you, Cheryl.
क्यों न हम तुम तलाशे बगीचों में फुर्सत भरी छाओ रे, चल भटक लेना बावरे। इन गुनगुन हाल बावरे.
I hope you guys are enjoying this. Thank you, CJ. Thank you, Marina. Thank you, Libby. You guys are awesome. Come on, I want to see some comments if you're enjoying this.
न लफ्ज खर्च करना तुम, न लफ्ज खर्च हम करेंगे, न लड़के कंकड़ों से खामोशियां की खिड़कियां यूं तोड़ेंगे, मिला के मस्त बात फिर करेंगे. न हर्फ खर्च करना तुम, न हर्फ खर्च हम करेंगे, नजर के स्याही से लिखेंगे तुझे 1000 चिट्ठियां, खामोश चिट्ठियां तेरे पते पे भेज देंगे. सुन गुनगुनाती है जिंदगी, ले हमें बुलाती है जिंदगी, जो करना है वो आज कर, ना इसको टाल बावरे. क्यों न हम तुम चले तेरे मेरे से रास्तों पे नंगे बावरे, चल भटक लेना बावरे. क्यों न हम तुम तलाशे बगीचों में फुर्सत भरी छावरे, चल भटक लेना बावरे.
Thank you, Tulip. That means a lot.
इन टिमटिमाती निगाहों में, इन चमचमाती अदाओं में, लुके हुए छुपे हुए है क्या ख्याल बावरे.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Your comments are totally making my day. All right. And I hope you're sharing the video with your friends, all right? See Marina with the sharer badge. Come on, go ahead. Thank you, Hitesh. Thank you so much. That's my classmate, Hitesh Batija. Thank you so much, buddy. You know, I never even spoke in Hindi all my life in school, if you remember. So I'm trying to get there somehow. Wow, wow. Thank you, Nelson. Beautiful words. Thank you so much. Thank you, Wayne. Tell Uncle Michu, I'm very happy to hear that. Thank you so much. Thank you. Time for a sip. So, you remember what I did yesterday, right? Those who were on the show yesterday. I had the mic in one hand and the glass in one hand. I started singing on the glass. That comment, that moment totally made it big for me. I was on the headlines today. Everyone was asking, what's wrong with you, bro? What was in that glass that you made you do that? Anyways, honey, hot water, ginger, that's what I do. And it magically changes to something else on the weekend sometimes. Depends. All right, so fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. King Edward in the house, ladies and gentlemen. He says, take a sip. I have to take one more. That sip was for you, bro. All right, so let's go one more retro song now. I'm doing new and old, and absolute an absolute mix so everyone is enjoying. You know this song, right? Another song that Sainora taught me, okay? Do you know the song? Thank you so much, Rachel. Means a lot. Thank you, Elvin.
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा.
Thank you for all the hearts, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Tano. Thank you, Cheryl.
तू जो कहे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे बोलों पे लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं। मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा।
Thank you so much, Cheryl. Thank you, Nigel. Thank you, Amresh. Thank you, Melicia. Come on, let me see some more Cheryl badges. Come on, share this video. Thank you, Baba.
आजा तेरे यहाँ चलिए, प्यार से मैं भर दूं, प्यार से मैं भर दूं, खुशियाँ जहाँ भर की तुझको नजर कर दूं, तुझको नजर कर दूं। तू ही मेरा जीवन, तू ही जीने का सहारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा।
Thanks, Teresa. Thanks, Will. Thanks, Goretti. The pandemic is growing crazy and, taking so many lives, making so many people sick. And I just feel at one point of time that we all get support each other, help each other out. And it doesn't have to be, financially. Sometimes you can just go and do something for someone who needs your help. There are a lot of people out there, I know of old couples around who live by themselves. I just saw a lady and man today, just went down the complex to, sort out a problem. And I saw an old lady and an old man walking with two huge, super heavy bags. And what was worse was the man who offered help was another old man, one of our security guards. By the time I could reach there, and I didn't have an umbrella. But, I felt guilty. I somehow felt guilty, like, there are so many people who need our help, man. We're still young, we can still do this on our own. So if you see someone out there who needs your help, try and do it. I feel guilty till now. I wish I could have done that for them. I wish I had that umbrella, and I wish I could run that fast. And honestly, I just felt like it just brought back a memory right now. And I decided to tell you that. So do whatever you can. There are people around you who need your help. Sometimes just cheer up a person. Don't ask a person, how did you get the illness? If you know someone who's suffering, don't ask them how they got it. Just tell them they're going to be fine. Pray for them and just be nice, all right? Tell them you care about them and they're going to be fit and fine, and that will motivate them. You're asking them stupid questions like how they get it? That's stupid. All right, so let's go on with that. I don't want to preach. Those people who call me a preacher. Already somebody told me I'm holding something which looks like a priest. No, not. You're bad people. Hey, Karishma, nice to see you in the house. Nice to see you, Karishma. I'm not a very big Arjit fan. I don't know why, but I've never been able to connect to too much of his music. I believe a lot of his music is pretty much about, going through a depressed time. And this is one song I like, though. I hope you like it too.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा। ही हो अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
Thank you, Amruta ma'am. Thank you, Hansel. Thank you, Pops. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, Senora Roshni.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं। तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी। कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
Thank you, Auntie Maria. Thank you, Prathamesh. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you, Jude. Beautiful. Feels so nice to see all of you enjoying this one, right?
तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं, तुझको जो यूं दे दिया है। तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। तेरा साथ मेरा है नसीब जुदा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो। क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो।
Thank you, Seriza. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you so much. I missed a comment. Someone said all the way from California. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Jude, Arjit, Al. Oh my God, Seriza, no. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Nigel. Thank you so much, buddy. Oh my. Nigel knows, while I was a heavy smoker, I couldn't really hit those notes easily. And it was very difficult. Nigel will agree. We dropped all the keys, but now I'm doing most of them on original keys. So there you go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Wayne. Thank you so much, Wayne Reynolds. This is my cousin, Wayne Reynolds, okay? All right. Beautiful. Papa Ji, it seems, oh, Goya. Am I looking like that? Oh, no. I'm looking like a Sardar today, but no, actually. All the sings in the house, come on, make some noise. I look like part of the clan. I'm missing Kuvarpreet today. He asked me to do a Punjabi song. I'm still going to... I was trying Pani Da. Anyway, coming back to this song that I just did, there was this one guy, this one friend of mine who was a complete player. You know the player types? Having 3-4 girlfriends. So I rewrote the song for that guy. I hope he's not on the feed right now. He's gonna feel all guilty. But I rewrote the song for him, and you know what I did to this song? I changed the lyrics just to make sure he feels like he can sing it. So he told me, Jude, can you teach me how to sing a song? No, my mic is on. Is someone having? Can you guys hear me? Yeah? Okay. So this guy came to me and said, Jude, can you teach me how to sing a song? I want to sing a song for one of my girlfriends. Not my girlfriend, but one of my girlfriends. And he's got like 4, 5. So I'm like, dude, why don't you just do a public performance for all 5 of them and go like, Tum bhi ho, ab tum bhi ho, zindagi ab tum bhi ho. Doesn't that make sense, guys? Tum bhi ho. So everybody. It feels so nice, right? So let's do this, right? Let's take our next song, and this next song, are we done? No, we have one more song, I guess. I'd like to end this session with the last 2 songs, and these are really good songs. This one's a rocking number, and for all the people who like rock music and also like Hindi music, this one's from the movie Rock On. You know what's coming your way? Do you know what's coming your way? Are you scared? I'm scared. I hope you like this one. Thank you, Karishma. Thank you, Jean.
दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूं। दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूं। दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे कह दूं। Everybody! Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा, Rock on हर लम्हा पुकारा, Rock on यूं ही देखता है क्या तू, Rock on जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा। दिल करता है सड़कों पे जोर से गाऊं, सब अपने अपने घर की खिड़की खोले, फिर मैं ऐसे जोशीले गीत सुनाऊं, मेरे गीतों को सुन के सब ये बोले। Everybody! Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा, Rock on हर लम्हा पुकारा, Rock on यूं ही देखता है क्या तू, Rock on जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा।
All right, Ryan. Are you rocking this track with me, all right? Hey, Aubrey. Hey, Lalit. Thank you, Pops.
जैसे जीने को दिल चाहे जी वैसे तू, मेरी तो है बस ये राय की, अपने जितने भी अरमा है पूरे कर ले तू।
Sing it with me. Scream it out.
Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा, Rock on हर लम्हा पुकारा, Rock on यूं ही देखता है क्या तू, Rock on जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा, Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा,
right, all right. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Edward. Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you, Amrita ma'am. Thank you, Auntie Fatima. Beautiful, beautiful. My glass went dry, man. All right, with all that song, my glass kind of evaporated. Thank you, Nelson. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Auntie Maria. So, ladies and gentlemen, like every other good night, this good night must come to an end too. And like I said, I kept it a little shorter today. I've got lots to do for tomorrow. And like I said, we're doing 2 shows tomorrow. The second one is at 8 p.m. That's on my page, Jude Al Official. Please get your friends along. It's going to be a rocking night, I promise you. This was just the trailer. If you've seen me going crazy today on that song, I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. Let's have fun, right? That's what's important. So let's go easy on... No, at every end of my Hindi set, I have something called the Ryan DeMonte special. And by now, most of you who are on my shows or been on my shows know I do one special song for my brother and my very good friend, Ryan DeMonte. He's been the guy, my backbone through this all. And from show number 5 or 6 till show number whatever it is today, counting is weak, he's been there for me. So we have this thing called the Ryan DeMonte special, and this one today is a typical Pawala song meant for all you banderbuggers, especially from Ryan DeMonte. I hope you got your chicken rolls and patties ready to watch this one, okay? Let's do this.
Para bailar la bamba se necesita una boca de gracia, una boca de gracia para mí, para ti, ahí arriba y arriba, ahí arriba y arriba, por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Hoy no soy marinero, hoy no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Everybody. Bamba, 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 bamba. Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba se necesita una boca de gracia, una boca de gracia para mí, para ti, ahí arriba y arriba. People who like English music, Ryan connected me. And this has not been an English song, man. But that's okay, as long as you guys are having fun. Wow, thank you, Wayne. La bamba, para bailar la bamba se necesita una boca de gracia, una boca de gracia para mí, para ti, ahí arriba y arriba. Ay, arriba y arriba, por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Everybody, bamba, bamba. You're singing with me. Bamba, 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 bamba.
Okay, so for all the people who don't like English music and you're here for the Hindi night, you can think of the song to be Bamboo, Bamboo. That's all right, as long as you're having fun. It means a lot. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to end this night, but somehow everything good thing has to come to an end, and it's so difficult to end the night without all of you. Thank you for all your love and support.